day, guys. Just a quick update on US 100. Most of you know it as NAS100, and gold and US 30. Yeah, so we are currently looking at our daily time frame now, and we are going to pull our trend line to see where price can possibly go in the next upcoming days, weeks, also months coming, to where we can see price go out here. So we know that every time price reaches this level here, if you look, every time price move high, pull back here, we can see we're in a strong bull trend, pull back here and just retest this structure, move high here. So let's see if price can continue like that. Also, we're going to look on our lower time frame. We are going to move from our daily now to our 4-hourly time frame here. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame. What we currently at now, we can see this was our previous high, all-time high here, and we see we had that triple top where price rejected 3 times here, and then price literally make that dip, created that double bottom, and then look, price literally create new highs here. So we have seen new highs created at level there. We are seeing a retracement. So what we want to see, if price would actually retrace back down to the downside, or retrace, test that resistance here, can become support here before price actually move long. Yeah, so let's see. So we're gonna look for a setup on this now where price can possibly go. So let's move to 1-hourly time frame where we get our entries. Let's remove these joins. So if you look at NAS100 there, you can see we're in a uptrend here. So let's see if we can get some correction where we just know that we just break that all-time high, so price can possibly retest this level, and let's see if price can possibly retest there and then start moving and creating new highs. So overall, I'm going to look for new highs in the market. If I see price break this trend line, then I'm going to look for more short-term sell here. Possible if price reach back under that 138,000 level, I'll look for price to go short. But for now, I want to see price create new high. And as you can see, its price is actually creating higher high. So if you look, you can actually see where price have been moving higher. So we are actually creating higher high on the Nasdaq. So let's see if price can continue that way, and then we are going to look for some new highs in the market overall. So let's see in the next upcoming days or weeks if price can continue to create new high, push to the upside. So what we're going to look at, US 30 now. So let's move to the daily time frame. And again, similar. So we all know that we have been in a strong bullish trend for months. Since last year when we had that massive hit in COVID, we seen price made that massive dip, and then look, price will start moving to the upside from since last year March. So it's like a year and a few months since US 30 and NAS100 have been creating new high all time. So US 30 have created a new high, I think it was last week, in May the 21st, around there. What we actually see now, we are seeing some correction within the market. So as you can see there, you can see price are pulling back. So you can see price dip, went up couldn't pass that new high, rejected, and price are selling off now. So let's just see where we can possibly see price in the next few weeks coming. I think we're gonna create new high as usual, but there will be some sellers in the market for probably a few while. I want to see price back down to at least this 33,000 level before going long on US 30. So that's from my point of view. Remember, I'm not the one that moves the market, so but I want to see price back down to that range before I actually take a long entry. Yeah, so once price can reach it back there, price can possibly move like that, pull back to the downside, and then bounce off that support and then carry on creating higher highs, new and also new highs. Yeah, so let's move to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have here, we have like a sideways market here. So price failed to break this new high here. Yeah, so that's our all-time high. Yeah, so you can see price went up and failed to break. Yeah, so what we actually have here, we have like a double top formation, as you can see. For some of you who are always in the market will consider this as a double top formation. Yeah, so you can see price created that double top, yeah, failed to break that previous resistance and create new highs. Yeah, rejected. Yeah, and price are actually moving back to the downside now. So once I see price break this neckline of that, yeah, once I see price break that support, yeah, then I'm gonna look for short back down to that level. Yeah, then when price reach back to this level, then I'm gonna look for entering to go long. So once I see price break that support, then I'm gonna look for some short, and I'm gonna look for a reversal back to the upside. Yeah, so you can possibly see an inverse head and shoulder pattern when price move back down to this 33,812 support level. Yeah, and we all know that this is a very strong support level as well. As you can see, price have been playing around within this zone in the past. Yeah, so as you can see, in April we had that consolidation, and look, we had that massive move to the upside, creating that new high. So just bear that in mind as well, guys. So don't try to be greedy diving in the market. I'm still gonna look for sales because look, price are actually failing to move back to the upside. And if you move to your 1 hour time frame, what you can actually see here, you can actually see a bearish trend formation. Yeah, so you see what I mean. So we have so many rejection. Let's just grab some tools. Where is that? Yeah. So we have so many rejection at that point, that resistance level here. So there's a high possibility that we can see price literally break that support here, because we have been bullish for so long. So probably sellers want to take the market back down to that before buyers start stepping in the market. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. Tonight I'm gonna see how price play out. If price close below this support trend line, if price close below that tonight, yeah, then I'm gonna look for more short in the morning, probably opening of London session. Yeah, I'm gonna look for short. So I'll look for short, look for an entry within around here. Possible sell stop order can be placed. Yeah, and I'll put my stop a bit high, because we know that we always get all these spikes in US and NAS1000. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. So I'll look for new short within that range. So if I see price break my support level, then I'm gonna look for a short. Yeah, but if I see price, if price doesn't break that support here, because you know we had this double bottom here, yeah? So if price don't break that support, I'm gonna show you what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for something like this. Yeah, so came down, create that here, rejected that support, and then I'm gonna look for price to move up and continue to the upside, creating new highs here. But possibly we can see a bit of consolidation, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, not to just dive in as well. So but I'm confident that price will continue lower, because look, you see price went back and is rejecting this level here. We are seeing this level being rejected, so possible it's gonna move back to the downside. So once I see price break this support level, then I'm gonna look for more sells to the downside here. So my target short will be 33,812, and you can have possible take profits in between, so you can have multiple trades open on US30. So that's my breakdown on US30. I'm gonna look at gold now for you. and tell you what I see on gold. So as you can see, this afternoon I took a short term buy on gold when it's created that double bottom. So I want to see price back into 1869 before I see price go short again. So let me just remove all these giant. So let's look at gold on our daily perspective here. So as you can see here, gold created that new high last year around August. So let's see if gold can actually create more new highs this year, but I think it will, to be honest. So let's see. So if you can see here, we have been trading within that downtrend for quite a very long time. So few months back we had that double bottom where price tested that support at 1687 twice, rejected, created that double bottom here, and buyers took price back up, break that daily downtrend here, retest, and then move higher, creating higher high now. So if you look at your formation on gold as well, you can see price actually creating higher high. So you can pull a support trend line from that level to that level. So there's a high possibility price, I'm gonna look for price to reject back down into this area, possible this support area here, at least 1810 or 1820 before price actually move long again. So I want to see price back down into this zone. Sorry guys, I want to see price back down to that level before I'm going to look for any long opportunity. So once price can reach back to that level, then I'll consider buy and put my swing high target at that all-time high right there. And again, you have multiple take profits, so you got TP1 and you got TP2 and you got more. You can have more smaller TPs in between here. So that's my point of view on gold. So let's move to, that's on my daily time frame, bear that in mind. So I'm going to move to the 4-hourly time frame. As you can see, we are selling off on the 4-hourly time frame. So let's see if price can break that major support. If I see price come below that support and close, as you can see, we have these wicks. We have been wicked out here and retested back that wick. The market will always retest these wicks. That's something I want you guys to know as well. Price will always retrace back at these wicks. So if I see price break this support, I'm gonna look for more sells back down to at least 1800. 1800, we all know 1800 is a major resistance and support level from previous. So just bear that in mind as well for 1800. If price can reach back down to that area, or probably 18, around 1820 around there, we can see price push back too. So just let's wait for that and see what price can show us in the next upcoming days and weeks as well. If we can see gold go short back down to that level before we enter to gold long. So that's it from me today. Nothing much. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.